Lee and I are at Sarah's Creek Campground, and we're getting ready to hit some trails here. He wanted to try out some features on his Bronco, and I figured it'd be a pretty interesting comparison video and just kind of check things out, see how the new 35s fare.
In order to keep the comparison as close as possible, we both aired down our tires to 15 psi. Lee has a set of 33.8-inch KO2 all-terrains, while I'm sporting some Patagonia 35-inch mud tires on the LX. Lee hasn't really modified his Bronco much at all, besides a subwoofer upgrade, so most of his vehicle's capability was limited to as-found features as we explored. His suspension is therefore stock from Ford, while I'm running an Ironman 2-inch lift with sway bar deletes.
That's a nasty little rock right there.
The Bronco's wheelbase measured at 117 inches long, center to center, while the LX actually came in shorter at 111 inches. Throughout our tests and trials, Lee and I experimented with the various off-road and GOAT modes for the Bronco and wound up using every single feature.
And then you get to kind of the off-road modes, which are mud and ruts, and then sand.
I don't like sand.
Now, if you have front and rear lockers and the sway bar disconnect, you have a couple more GOAT modes that don't even show on here.
The Lexus is equipped with front and center locking differentials, but no traction control. Without the diff locks, it's going nowhere.
Good. Yeah, you're good. There you go. Your rear's good. Cut back left. Nicely done. And it should be good. That's impressive.
So whatever it does, it slips for a second and then it catches itself. I don't know what. I had it in the wrong mode at first, so that was my bad.
Intriguing.
Yeah.
With a steady release of the clutch, Lee was underway thanks to his traction control. Even the slightest wheel lift stopped the Lexus in its tracks. But with the lockers engaged, it can go anywhere.
Yeah, I could tell.
We found a few more spots to have some fun, then headed home, having proven what we pretty much already knew. Not all four-wheel drives are created equal. Traction control sure is helpful, but a locker and a bit of extra clearance go a long way out there. Thanks for joining, Lee, and see you down the trail.